So then boys, today is Songkran here in Thailand, the Thai New Year, and it is essentially just one massive water fight street party. So I'm going to be heading out to one of the busy areas in Koh Samui for Songkran with a few guys and girls, and oh, it's going to be crazy. I've literally just walked down to our nearest 7-Eleven. I got drenched on the way down by kids, you know, going past on mopeds, squirting water guns at me, throwing buckets at me, all sorts. So I got some water guns. I got this cool little neck strap for some POV content. We're going to head down there in just under an hour. And today is just dedicated to fun carnage.
Right now on the come up, been talking my shit because I know I come from the gutter since sausage your brother. Then I go pop out in all of this linen like I was a butler. How can you hate me? I'm coming from under. Nowhere to sleep, what the fuck is a cover? Now I pop out in ballistics, they run us, man, tell us I'm tweaking. I already fucked us. I was down bad, I know I done it all. I was serving the fiends like the Zany dissolve. If I got a problem, I'm making one call. While none of your niggas be sliding at all. But bitch like an oven, I'm packing that heat. Only get up with bitches when it's in the sheets. Run to the paper like I'm in the meat, baby. Get on your knees, let me give you a treat. Too much of the walkie be having me sleep, but too much of the purse got me ready to freak. Grinding for months, I've been grinding for weeks. My uncle told me to just watch for the week, cause they like to sneak. Gucci and Prada be having me dripping like I was a sing man with a...
Okay, so that is Songkran over. Well, the last clips of me out for Songkran was on Monday. Today is Wednesday at 4:30. What a crazy experience. Absolutely insane, amazing day. Few too many beers. Tuesday morning was a little bit rough, but I've literally just spent the rest of the day yesterday locked in, going through an absolute abyss of rabbit holes for creative AI creatives for ads on Meta, and I've got an absolute cracked system for it now. I can't believe it. I'm still in awe of the ads that I'm able to build out for absolutely anything in video form. So I'm literally just churning out prompts, getting new content into the creative system and getting ready to distribute it. And, you know, just been to the gym, went out, had some good lunch, nice coffee down by the beach. And I'm just going to be locked in for the rest of the night now, probably walk, grab some noodles from a local shop. I just don't want to leave this MacBook and it not be running some sort of prompts. I'm absolutely addicted to this now. The results that are going to come in from this discovery are phenomenal, and I just can't believe it. I can't believe it, and the team is just going to act so quickly on this. Yeah, in absolute awe, boys. Out for some lunch, just been to the gym, got a nice leg day in, and just take a look at this. Just sat here, got my laptop here, got all the gear, absolutely no idea, but you just really can't beat this. You know, I'm just pumping out constant new systems and operations and ad creatives like I spoke about earlier, you know, just really getting the work done no matter where I am, trying to blend life enjoyment and living good with work enjoyment and having successful results. You know, things don't have to just be sat at your desk all day, in home, recluse. You can be out, you can be social, you can talk to people while still being and feeling productive. So, just waiting on my food to arrive, and I'm looking to spend like May and a lot of June in Bali. So if any of you have any recommendations for Bali, any places to see, any villas to book, anything like that, let me know. Just trying to figure it all out at the minute. Very annoying because in the middle of May is Canton, the big Chinese ecom festival, right? So it would have been the perfect timing to go out there for that. But oh well, I'll go out to China later on in the year, figure something out, and maybe try and do it next year. But yeah, if anyone has any Bali recommendations, or if any of you are in Bali, drop me a message on Discord or Instagram. It'd be great. I'm trying to meet up with as many of you as possible out here. Met some great people, build some great connections, and just trying to keep that going.